Let's see how to create a federated BIM project using CYPE and the BIMserver.center platform. This platform can integrate, coordinate, and manage models from different disciplines in the cloud, making it easier for all project participants to collaborate in real time. In most projects, the first step is to develop an architectural model. In this example, we will use CYPE's architectural modeler, CYPE Architecture, which is free and easy to use. However, we can use any other BIM modeling tool that exports IFC files to carry out this first phase. We start by opening CYPE Architecture. In this case, our architectural model is ready, so we aren't going to focus on the architectural modeling itself. To create a new federated BIM project, we need to log in to BIMserver.center. A browser pop-up window will ask for authorization to access our user account. We authorize this access and confirm by clicking on Accept in the information pop-up window. Once connected to BIMserver.center, we create a new project. To do this, we select the Update option, and in Project Selection, we click on Create New Project. We then fill in the necessary information: the project name, the type of project, the view options, and the management of collaboration requests. We can also check if we want to receive notifications about new or updated contributions. We will now use the Share option to export the model to BIMserver.center and create a new contribution. From BIMserver.center, in the Project section, we can view the contribution made. This is a set of files that are generated from a model and that will be available in the project so that other members of the team can consult it and use it as a basis for their designs. Next, we are going to carry out the structural design with CYPECAD. We create a new file and import the architectural model from BIMserver.center. To do this, we carry out the following. Click on New and assign a name to the file. Choose the Select Project option. Indicate the project we want to link to and accept. Fill in the required data in the BIM Model Import Wizard. As well as the geometry of the structure, which is automatically generated by importing the architectural design, we define all relevant features for the structural design in CYPECAD. These include the choice of codes and materials, load definition, or details regarding the environment conditions, among others. Once our structure has been correctly designed and is finished, we can also export it to the BIMserver.center platform using the Share option. To do this, we create a new contribution, in this case with data from the structural project. From BIMserver.center, we can view the two contributions made so far, the architectural model and the structural model. In the third step, we are going to enter the facility systems. We open Site Plumbing to design the plumbing system. The process in this case is similar to the previous one. To do this, we carry out the following. Click on New and assign a name to the file. Choose the Select Project option. Indicate the project we want to link to and accept. Select the models we want to import and accept. Define the corresponding codes and accept. Taking the geometry of the previous contributions as a reference, it will be easier to develop the facility systems in Site Plumbing. We design the plumbing networks in the Water Systems tab and the sanitary systems in the Sanitary Systems tab. Once this is done, we export the systems to BIMserver.center as a new contribution. We can now view the three contributions in BIMserver.center: the architecture, the structure, and the plumbing systems. Next, we move on to the HVAC system with CYPE HVAC. First, we link the project and import the architectural and structural model from BIMserver.center, as we have done in the previous steps. We use these imported elements as a reference for the HVAC system. After completing the design, we export the HVAC system to BIMserver.center, adding a new contribution. Now we can see 4 contributions in the project: architecture, structure, plumbing, and HVAC. Finally, we are going to carry out the fire protection study in CYPEFire. We start by linking the project and importing the architectural model as we have done before. The architectural model allows us to extract the spaces from the BIM model. With the architectural model and the imported spaces, we can carry out the building study for the fire protection design. Once finished, we export it from Share as a new contribution in BIMserver.center. In the BIMserver.center platform, we can view the federated model, which integrates architecture, structure, facility systems, and fire protection. To view the complete model, in addition to using the BIMserver.center platform, we can use any of the programs used during the modelling process, as all of them work as BIM viewers. In this case, for example, we open CYPE Architecture again. When we click on the Update option, a window appears in which we select the contributions that we want to import into the program. A few seconds later, we will be able to see the contributions integrated in the architectural model. In the Own Elements section, located on the left-hand side, we deactivate all the architectural elements in order to see the imported elements more clearly. In the left side panel, Elements Red, all imported models are grouped together, and we can activate or deactivate the visibility of each of them. It is important to remember that contributions imported by a program cannot be edited, as the only way to modify a specific contribution is to do so directly in the program in which it was created.